Wax Mo Crazy.
Hello and welcome to the second part of the bus project. So now we are going to check the inside, the interior, what we have done with Paavo. Still a lot to do, but let's see. So
Would you say it's a good example of a Finnish bus motorhome?
I would say it, yeah. I would say that, yeah. It's and I think we have done a really good job here. Not all, but most of the materials we have like redone them with the better fabric and some audio system, fridge. Come and see. Before we go any further, small commercial break. It's about carvertical.com. You will get the car history report from your vehicle with VIN code. And we have an example car here. It's a Skoda Octavia. And there's something with odometer. And if we check it, it's been rolled down a little bit. It has been driven like 450,000 kilometers and then take it down to 170. So a huge drop. So, but you can find these with the Car Vertical. Use Turbo Diesel Builds, TDB, as a promo code or link in bio. Straight, you will get straight the 20% off. So, first of all, sorry for the mess. we didn't wait this that you will come with the camera, but maybe you can see something. So we have it will come with like 4 and 4 seats with tables. It will come the oak tables, so real oak. Hardwood.
Yeah.
Oak.
Yeah.
And yep, here's kitchen. As you see, the corridor we have taken a little bit wider here.
Yeah, and also it has been raised up
Yeah,
here.
for sure, because this is a S model. So I think. I'm not sure, but I think no one have done it in S model. Because this corridor is really low, and it's when you have like small children with you, it's hard to go to the seats because it's so big drop.
Yeah.
So we have raised the floor and made it straight here because it will fall from here.
Yeah, there's an incline like all the way here.
No, there's also a like angle.
Okay, so it's even steeper.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we have made it straight and take the corridor wider here, as you can see. This is not original here. Normally it goes like straight. So now we have much more room here to the kitchen. Kitchen features. We have oven. Actually, it will come the induction stove here.
Stove top.
So this is still everything you can see in progress.
Yeah.
I just made this hole for the sink, for the tap. And yeah, we have quite good storage room here, and like boxes here.
Okay. And hot and cold water. of
Hot
course.
and cold water, yes. Fridge is coming here. We need still make one wall here, and it will come one 60 centimeter.
Like a kitchen. Yeah, kitchen extension
Yeah.
with the same tabletop.
Yes.
Yeah. And also the tables here.
Yeah,
you
well,
have-
yeah. As
will
I
have
said,
the
yeah.
same.
Yeah. So these are actually original because quite or in perfect condition, and color is good
Yeah.
compared to us. Our bus it had blue.
Yeah.
So
This
that-
one is grey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So therefore we remade everything.
In our bus.
Yep.
Yeah.
And here's like
Like switch.
for the lights, and this will come to the pump or water pump.
Yeah.
Here we have some storage.
Just basic.
Please come here
Yeah.
or stay there and I will show you. Because there is shower, bedroom, and you go to shower, you can put like this.
Yeah.
You have private room here. Then.
Yeah.
So this here should be a lock. It's open. It's there.
Yeah.
But come here and see. If you want some light. So here's shelves for clothes.
Storage.
Storage.
Yeah.
Here we have what is called
Beds.
beds,
Bunk beds.
bunk beds. So for 3 person. It's,
Sleep free. Yeah.
yeah. And you need to come here because
Yeah. Another way. Yeah.
so we haven't still installed the
What's they called? I don't know.
I don't know these to open doors.
These ones.
So and here we have toilet
Yeah.
and it's gas burning
Yeah.
toilet. So actually there will the leftover is just ash.
Yeah. You don't need to empty those disgusting.
Yes. Lights switch here and lights here, and I think it will come some LED lighting here and a mirror. Of course, this will be also from oak, and then sink and tap doors still in progress.
Yeah.
Here we have like room for changing
changing.
clothes.
Yeah.
And here is a you can go to the garage.
Don't see the car, yeah. Garage.
So also we need to put gaskets there, so
Yeah.
like that. Master bedroom is here.
Master bed.
Uh,
It's
there-
quite big.
What big? Yeah, it's 240 I think,
240 centimeters.
almost.
Yeah.
Here will come television, and here we have shower, lights
Lights and ventilation.
and ventilation, still in progress. And this is actually like lower this, so
Water won't escape.
yeah, and you have
A little bit headroom.
yeah. Actually, this is quite big.
It is, yeah. It's enough for a shower.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. And here also we are going to put some gaskets that the water will stay here. Under this is almost 200 liters for the wastewater,
Yeah.
and the plumbing. You can see it's going there to the shower. No, to the toilet and to the kitchen.
Yeah.
So all wastewater will go to the tank under this, and there is also the tap to empty it. The fresh water will be downstairs.
Downstairs.
it will be like, I'm not sure, 200 liters maybe,
Okay.
about.
Should we show that is also in progress, but there is batteries, tanks, and inverter.
Yeah, we can
can show
go and see it. So that's about the interior, and it will be when it's ready. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I promise it.
Yeah. Let's check the. I think it's the first hatch.
As you can see, these everything's for the project, and we have used a lot of plywood,
Yeah.
different thickness and different materials, a lot. So under here is the original batteries,
Yeah.
and here will come 4 batteries more. So
We have 2 in place and
yeah,
2 more. on
2
top.
more will come here. Here's the freshwater tank, inverter from 220 to 24 volts.
Yeah.
The freshwater pump will come here. As you can see, here's plumbings, and yeah, for the water.
And also some electrics. Because it of course from the goes here.
Yeah, this in progress.
In progress.
Yes.
But it will have plenty.
Yeah,
of-
something we have or Paavo have built already. The electrics.
So there will be plenty of outlets 230
Yes,
volts.
and
Also water heater.
yes, we can see here. We already checked this room in the first part,
Yeah.
but there is, as you can see, there's a water heater. It's a gas heater. So it will start with water flow. So as you can see, there's plumbing also you can see.
Yeah.
So when you open the tap, it will automatically start
Turn
to heat the water.
And
We have here from Aurinkopaneelikauppa
yeah.
these solar panels.
Yeah. We'll go on the roof.
Yes, we have Webasto. It will go, so it will make also warm and cold air to the
Yeah,
cabin.
So it's a heat pump.
heat pump. Yeah.
Goes on the roof. It's
Yes.
1 unit.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's about that. Now, for now, but we need to make a third part when
It's
it's
all
ready,
done, yeah.
all is done. So then we will see the final result.
Yeah.
But it looks promising. Thank you.